Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Raina Mo's Designs. And today we're going to do an upcycle on a much needed handheld mirror. So if this sounds like a tutorial that would interest you, please keep watching. So you guys know I have a second channel, and if you don't know, I will link it up here in the iCards. But in doing makeup tutorials or whatever, you know, sometimes there's a need for a handheld mirror. And when I found this nice mirror at the local dollar store, it's actually a local $1.25 store, I just thought, you know, this is really cute. I love the little imprints that it has on the back. They look like little fans, but it is still kind of bland, even though I love pink. Then lo and behold, look what I found at Walmart. This is some glitter laminate, and I hope you guys can see and that the light really shows how blingy this paper is. And it's made by Duck brand. So I'm going to go ahead and embellish this particular handheld mirror with this contact paper. So to get started, obviously we're going to open up the paper, and then when I come back, I'll show you the next step. Okay, so now that I have opened up my beautiful glitter wrap, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna measure out, because on the back of it, it has measurements. I'm just gonna measure out where it is that I need to cut and go ahead and make my. So here you see I'm laying out the mirror, and I did not trace it. I'm just gonna cut a rectangle out in the right shape that I need and size for this particular mirror, and then I'm just using the grid that's on the back as my guide. Okay, so now that I have my piece of bling glitter adhesive wrap, I'm going to go ahead and affix it to the back, and when I come back, I'll show you. So here's where I actually begin to apply that adhesive contact paper. And I'm using a technique where I just expose a little bit of the adhesive at a time, make sure I press it down really good, and then remove more of the backing. And I continue that process until all of the backing has been removed and I'm satisfied with the adhesion that I have with this glitter paper. So here I'm just showing you the edges that are left around the edge of the mirror with the contact paper, and I wasn't happy with the way that looked, so I'm going ahead and grabbing my scissors and I'm going to trim that and then begin to decorate and embellish the mirror further without the use of the contact paper. I'm only going to use the contact paper on the very back side that's flush. And so here I'm using my handy dandy foam brush along with Mod Podge, because I'm going to apply a contrasting color of glitter. And because this contact paper is silver, I'm going to use a very fine gold glitter along with my Mod Podge in the recesses of the handle of the mirror, just to give it a more beautiful Art Deco look, because that's the design that I have in my head. You know, Art Deco is very symmetrical and it's geometric, and once you see the final look of this mirror, you guys are going to be so amazed and surprised just like I was. It's a beautiful design. But this glitter, I found this a long time ago at the dollar spot, but you can use any glitter that suits you, in any color that suits you, in any size that suits you. And now I'm flipping it over and going to complete the same process again on the second side. now that I'm letting the Mod Podge and glitter to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this sheet that I found off of Amazon. And basically what it is, it's a sheet of bling. I think you guys have seen this before because I've used something similar before, but it has an adhesive backing and it also has a film on the top of it to help protect the rhinestones. But look at all that bling. Can you see that? These micro tiny rhinestones. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut and trim and go all the way around my handheld mirror, and when I come back I'll show you how it looks. So here I'm just using strips to go ahead and cover the edges of the mirror. I'm also going to use pieces of strips to decorate the back of the mirror. So I'm going to just be quiet now and let you guys watch me work. So now I'm just going back in with the Mod Podge and doing a round of sealing the glitter in the handle so that it doesn't come all off on my hands when I'm using the mirror. And I'm going to do that to both sides. So are you ready for the final reveal? Look how beautiful she turned out. Now I don't want to blind you, but this is how she looks, and it's just so very, very pretty. Look at that. What's this? What is that gonna do?
Cover.
It doesn't cover it all the way. I just love how the rhinestone just really elevates this very simple, upcycle. The glitter contact paper was an excellent choice. I really love the effect and the texture that it gives as well, but the gold contrast really sets this mirror off, and I am just so happy with the outcome of this mirror. So I hope you guys enjoyed this particular tutorial. Definitely give us a thumbs up and comment down below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's absolutely free, and I can almost guarantee you'll learn something and help you think outside of the box in your next craft. But most importantly, have an absolutely wonderful evening. Bye.